The disciple will not perceive that, in other words, through the mantra that the Guru has spoken in my ear, the disciple will not perceive immediately this phenomenon, but it will gradually understand everything by surrender, by seva, Guru Bhakti, and by meditating upon the mantra. The mantra the Guru gives to the disciple is therefore a direct manifestation of the mantra. That is why Jiva Goswami says in Tattva Sandarbha that one should see his Guru in every mantra he chants. Kam Gayatri, Guru Mantra, Gora Gayatri. Guru is there because every mantra, Gora Gayatri, Gora Mantra is a manifestation of the Guru's love and attachment to Gora. And Gopal Mantra is everything is there. And seed-like. The mantra is like a seed which is filled with the Guru's bhav and realizations. This seed of bhakti placed in a disciple's heart at the time of initiation takes root and grows into a beautiful tree of pure devotion, laden with sweet, tasty fruits of Krishna Prema. At that time, the disciple is qualified to go back home, back to Godhead, to offer his pure love-filled heart in the eternal service of Radha Govinda and Brajadam. The Hare Krishna mantra and the Pancharachika Diksha mantras are very powerful, rasa-filled mantras which can give one the highest perfection of human life. Sanat Kumara Samhita says, the Hare Krishna mantra is very pure and powerful and famous for bestowing Krishna Prema upon anyone who chants it. However, success in any mantra chanting, however, depends on the conception or the meaning of the mantra which is held in the mind while chanting it. The Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Gopal Mantra, Kam Gayatri are full of Radha and Krishna. If one sincerely chants these mantras with the understanding that Radha and Krishna are personally present there, enjoying their Braja Leela, then one will attain their eternal loving service in the spiritual world. Whenever our spiritual master, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Shata Shri Srimad A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ki. Whenever he held an initiation ceremony, he would mention the Das Aparads, 10 offenses to be avoided in the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If a disciple diligently avoids these offenses, he will make rapid spiritual advancement and soon attain the perfection of human life. Krishna Prema.